friends, and on the mix on today is Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about her New Year's resolution, and she's talking about, the month that she had spent in that hotel that she is now staying in for a while now. She's saying that it's been a month and she's absolutely happy, about her decision that she made, to stay in the hotel. And as she figure out where she wants to go and her next step. As you know, Marcy had mentioned before that she is trying to find the right place that would be suitable for her, not only cost wise, but also in a place that she will be protected and comfortable enough and away from social media's eyes. So she is really happy. She is maintaining herself, and she is going out there spending time with herself on a day-to-day basis and showing people that, listen, man, I can do this all by myself. I can still be me, even though I'm living in an hotel at the moment. And as you know, she said that this is something that she's doing because she wants to do this. She does not want to go anywhere else but to spend this time on her own and figure out her way through. Her main aim is to get somewhere that she will be comfortable enough to stay and, to focus on her business, which is cheap and clean, and to have that, done. So, guys, if you can, go ahead and remember to shop with Marcia. She has sheets and stuff, curtains and different stuff. She's selling her shirts as well. So remember now, guys, that you have to watch the video to get the full details, what she has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Look coming nice and comfortable and easy like Sunday morning. Huh? Look at that. Go take a look at them. And look at them watch over me. And see if. Then could have last 2 days in here. And me there 1 month. Almost 1 month. The 4th of January, 1 month. Into a nice establishment. Banned from all stream. Da, 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 da. I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty. So, what is the resolution I have for New Year? Me? My resolution for New Year is one priority. To fix all my enemy them. From the east to the west. And to the north and to the south. That is it. To see all my enemy them and adversity go down. That is my New Year's resolution. Me no want nothing, everything else is good. But that is my New Year's resolution. To see my enemy trample. Me trample them under my foot. That is my New Year's resolution. Anything else, me left it to God. Because me know say as long as me depend this earth here, me not beg for bread. You understand? Me always gonna have a roof over my head. But me want to see my enemy them defeated. What is song with Marcia playing with them? Oh. Blood, 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 blood them up. Yes, man. Get with knife and get with cutlass. You know, the spirit. And we just cut loose. We just go from the east to the west to the north of the south. And that's what we're going to do to them. We're going for a spiritual warfare upon them. Take back what the enemy stole from us. That is my New Year's resolution. To see my enemy. Walk upon them. That's what we're going to do. We want to make them smash up the enemy camp. We want them to go down. Way, way down into the valley. To the bottomless pit of never to return. And that is my New Year's resolution. Nothing else. I don't care who they are. I could have baby. They could have big or small. If them are my enemy, they must perish. Seen and unseen. Straight to the pit of hell. That is my New Year's resolution. Court's adjourned. That's all. Anything else, may good to go. That's all. Anything else, I'm good to go. Yes, karaoke will resume when it resume. When karaoke come back and entertainment come back, it will be set up nice. And everything. Yes, my dear. Sometimes you have to rest your mind. Because there's only one Marcia ever blessed. There's only one Marcia ever blessed. One Marcia ever blessed. I'm not trying to be prejudiced or racist, but let me see what I go on here. Hold on there. Hold on. Let me see something. Hold on there. Hold on there. The phone here always a jam now. You can't wait till karaoke come back is my favorite. Me sing karaoke all the time. Me ever sing. I am ever singing. Karaoke. Me I go sing karaoke Saturday. Me find one nice white place to go sing karaoke. Yes, me dear. Me I go and go bust 2 reggae song. You know me I go and go sing Mikey Spice song. You know, so that are the first one me going to sing. LA's fine sunshine most of the time. And the feeling is laid back. Palm tree grows, lenterlos, don't you know? I keep working my way back. I'm a Jamaican girl who born and raised. Nowadays I'm lost between two shores. LA's fine, but it ain't my home. New York City was my home, but it ain't no more. I am myself. To no one's there. Yes, man, that me go about Saturday. Yes, me find out. Me Google them and find them. Me never know so there was so much karaoke places that go around the place in Hartford. It's just that you have to go to downtown. Them have a whole heap of karaoke downtown in Hartford and different places. And in the white people area. And Manchester, this if you want to go and you meet different class of people. But karaoke, when them all have karaoke contests. The other day me Google karaoke was even at the social club. on Main Street. And me never know. Even at the social club, me go up on I went on Eventbrite and some other place and me I go through it. And me say, but wait, them have karaoke down there, so? Yeah, them have karaoke. And them have a lot of places where you can go contest and do karaoke. It's because people not interested in it. Black people not interested, but them have it in a certain neighborhood. You have to go up in the white neighborhood and the sport bar them. So this one I found, I was having dinner. I said, is there a karaoke keep here? Happy New Year. And them say yes, every Saturday at 9 p.m. Me say, all righty. I will be right in there. And guess what? The black people now come there so. And I go there name dinner and I'm the only black. So you know say none there so. Nobody not have to know. So me not have to hide. So if me and my friend go up, we not have to hide. Because them not come there. they ain't gonna drive so far. Me we drive the far. If you go out. they ain't gonna drive so far. So let me go mix with the white folks them. Yes, me dear. Let me go mix with the white folks. Them now screenshot me because they don't know me. They don't know me on social media. So let me go in a for them place. Make them go run me out. And then we take it from there. Anybody saw the color purple? What do you think about the color purple? Anybody saw the color purple? I want to know if it's worth it to go watch it. Because I was going to go see it tonight. It was playing at most of the theaters then. But I was kind of little flip-flopping because me hear some things that go up on social media about the actresses, them not really get paid yet and certain things and whatever it is. So I was kind of, me want to know if it's worth it, if it has what the commercial and them did they wear purple all over the place and a guani. The only reason I'm going to go watch it because of Fantasia in there and few and Jay Hansen, Jay Senior and the Pence and whatever you want to name. And so, but she support Fantasia and the other girl. So I want to know if anybody watch it. Anybody watch Color Purple? Is it worth it to go? I'll wait until it come out on TV. Okay, you know, so soon that short on TV, I pay $4.99 and watch it. So I want to know if it's good. Anybody watch Color Purple? The phone have a delay, so I wait for an answer. Anybody watch the Color Purple yet? I don't get no answer yet. This phone have a delay. Is it our sound gone? Is sound gone? Okay. The phone have a delay now. So sometimes you hear me attack, it take a very long time before it pop up. Okay, your daughter watched it yesterday. It says it's a good movie, but it's mostly for women. So no woman make for. A woman make for, you know. It's about self-esteem and where all the woman feel about themselves and how they treated her. According to it, so I say it's then that the man them figure see, the man them figure go movie theater go see. But I mean, it's like a musical. That's what I have read up. When I was going through it, it seemed like a lot of music and dancing and something are going on. Sometimes you can't take the movie, they open dancing business, you know. No, okay. Yeah, because it's a lot of dancing. It's like the way I read it up when I was looking at it today. It's a lot of dancing. Like telling the story in the dancing and all this. If you bring a boyfriend, he's not going to like it. Oh, sir. If you bring a boyfriend, he's not going to like it. Damn. I didn't saw a movie there. Then you waste 10 time for watch for go make movie like that. Open it for go sit down. Open 2 extra. And he knows say a plastic surgery and do forget himself like that and I go on like a food in yam. Oprah 2 damn lie. Oprah is a liar. You know yam no food for look like that. You do a whole heap of surgery. Me not ask you. You do a little lap band and you little something, them a little nice something. Look how you look good and not even floppy. And you damn well know say I don't know weight loss. I don't know gummy beer and them shots are sitting there. What I lie say? Look when you look good. And damn well know say surgery you have you know. Wally pan, nip and tuck and kind of same thing. Look at the woman could not slim and trim. Eh? Body fit and gone back to normal in a one way. And look how she did big. She feels she can't fool nobody. And normally when you stretch like that, you have up a stretch mark, you have up a flap, and you have all kind of skin. She did a whole heap of work. She spent her money good. Look how she look good. Eh? And then talk about food business. What kind of food? What kind of food? What kind of damn food? And gummy beer. Then lie. This is what I don't like about these black people millionaire. Just walk around and lie to people about if you lose weight like that. Damn lie. Surgery. Good plastic surgery, honey, and nips and tucks. Them have all this in them. And then come. Look how the woman look good. And solid and look good and in a shape. And gone back like a little size 5. Eh? Look how she look neat. No flap. You seen a flap on she? Well surgery up. Not a damn food. Hope I look like somebody I got gym. If you got tighten up so. Eh? Then how much time it take to come over here if you not bring a news over here? Huh? Me and a movie star, me go photograph now. Me a movie star. Me go photograph.